Hello friends, it is time for the unboxing of the August 2022 Spellbinders kit. This is a card kit. It's called Butterfly Sparkle, and if you're not aware of what's in it, we're about to jump in. I'm very excited about this because it's butterflies. All right, so here is how they come, this cute little box, and you have your Spellbinders club. You can peel that back and you have your card. I love that they do this. So this tells you what comes in your kit, gives you places you can go for inspiration, and then on the back it tells you exactly how to make a card, this card, using the stuff in the kit. So I think that's really, really cool. Great way to do that and to showcase a kit. So let's jump into it. I'm going to set this off to the side and we'll pull the pieces out. All right, we'll start with our card bases and our envelopes. These are A2, and you're going to get 10 of each of these. I think that's awesome. Basically, this kit gives you almost everything you need to just start making cards. And yeah, only thing you might need would be a stamp set, or an ink pad, and maybe some glue. But they take care of that for you in that they provide the foam squares and the adhesive tape, and I think the kits always come with this, so that's pretty awesome. And then I've seen people just use even the leftover bits from the foam squares as well, but the tape, yeah, you can make cards for days with this thing and not run out of tape. All right, you're also going to get a die set. This has 12 dies in it. Let's pull those out. This is what you see on this card front. That's so cute. This measures about 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches, so it's just darling. That would be cute on a 4-bar. And then you get the words often, and you get the word smile, because that's good advice to smile often. You get the outline and the inside for your butterfly, and also the little piece for your, the front little piece of your butterfly. And then you get all the outlines for these stars, and then you get the darling little cut stars. Are those not super cute? I don't have any dies like that. I love that. Okay, so you get all those. We'll set those off to the side. Actually, I'm going to put them back in the bag so I don't lose them. Then you're going to get a big old bag of sequins. Check that out. And they're a really pretty color too. It's like this turquoisey pretty color. Ooh, like a Tiffany blue. Very pretty. Then you get your giant thing of die cut shapes. Now I'm not going to go through all of them because there are a ton of them, but there's usually, I think there's 2 of every one in here. And I mean, look at that. There's words, there's big pieces. I mean, they're so much fun. And not only is this great for cards, but this is great for like journaling, or if you're a planner, these would go great in your planner. All of us paper crafters can find a way, right? We can find something to do. These would be great in mixed media. You just have so many options. Oh, I love this. So you get the feel. If I went through them all, we'd be here for a while. So I'll pull them out as I get to making cards, and you can really take a look, because I imagine I'll be making a few cards with all the die cuts. The die cut pieces. All right, moving on, check it out. You get these Butterfly Sparkle layered butterfly stickers. Let's pull this piece out. These are where your dimension's going to come from. Oh, look at how pretty they are. So they're stickers and they're dimensional. They're so, so pretty. Oh my goodness. And then of course they can go flat when they're on a card, so that makes those super nice. Yes, please. Okay, here is our stamp set. It's super cute. Lots of great little sentiments in there. We've got, by being yourself, you put something wonderful in the world that was not there before. To my darling friend, the best thing I decided to do is to share my life and laughter with you. Just because. Always believe something amazing is about to happen. Make a wish. Happy birthday, beautiful dreamer. And you have everything you need to make your dreams come true. And then we've got our little dandelion, this cute one too. You have a butterfly, and you even have one of those stars. So this is a great little stamp set. Then we have some chipboard stickers. I love these. They add dimension and are just easy to apply. And it's two-sided, so you get from the warmth of your heart to the depth of your soul, you are beautiful. Every day holds magic. Picture perfect. Got a little bingo card. You are free to fly. Magical, timeless, special. Captured in my heart forever. Love, inspire, always cherish. Today is your day. Make a wish. And bliss. Cute. Ooh, then we have these stickers. Are these not so pretty? These are foam stickers. You've got, and they're super sparkly. Enjoy, hey, today, you, wish, me, hello, love, shine, smile, hi. So obviously you can combine these like enjoy today, you and me. That would be a nice one. Love these. Very pretty. And then our paper pad. Ooh. Love this paper pad. I can already tell you I'm going to love it. You get 2 of every design. They're lightweight, so they're perfect for layering. But look at all those super pretty designs in there. You even get some of them are foiled, which is great. Oh, check that out. And then those super pretty colors, and of course butterflies. Some of these really great designs that are like staple kind of designs. Oh, love that. Love all the dandelions in there too. How pretty. And then you got all those butterflies. Very pretty. And then let me pull out our paper, because yes, there is paper in here to start making all your cards. Check out this beautiful gold. It's front and back. And then we've got a light blue, a navy blue, a light pink, a darker pink, a light gray, a black, a white, and a cream. All right, so if you are not a subscriber, please be sure to subscribe, because I'm going to make some cards with this kit, and I would love for you to come back and check that out. If you like this video, hit that like button, and again, be a subscriber, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye, everybody.